Hey, how you doing, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. And I know why you're watching this, because you want to know what is going to be in episode 6 of the 6-Figure Side Hustles. It's a docu-series. If you don't know about it, where have you been? And if you don't have your ticket yet, what are you doing? Gotta get your ticket for it. It's going to be 9 episodes for free, of course, that you can start watching from next week. 23rd of May is when it starts, 7 p.m. EST. That's in America time. In New York, 7 p.m. In Britain, it's going to be late for us, but don't panic, because you can watch the replay. For 24 hours, you can watch it, so don't worry about it. But then it will be off, so make sure you watch it within 24 hours. So I'm just going to reveal what is going to be in episode 6, but if you want to get a freebie, another freebie, of course the tickets are free, but you also will get a guide to help you earn some money today from a side hustle. But hang tight, I'm not going to reveal what it is. You might know it if you'd watched the other episodes, which you can do, of course. There's a playlist, you can watch that at any time. There's 5 videos already done, there's 3 more coming, and there's this one, which is the 6th one. So what is in the 6th episode? You've got paving your own path to 6 figures. You have got scaling beyond the side hustle. Then you've got the freelance marketing consultant income. So who will be teaching? Who are the entrepreneurs? Well, we start with James Altucher, and he's paving your own path to 6 figures. That is what he will be teaching. He will teach you how to follow your passion. And that's actually more profitable than following the money, and how you can enjoy both with a side hustle. He also has a very unique networking technique that he uses to get the most successful investors on the planet to respond to him when they had no idea who he was. Steal this technique and you will be shocked who you can reach. He's also going to be teaching about how a 10-cent waiter's order pad helped him raise millions of dollars from Wall Street insiders, and the super simple way you can use one to create a successful side hustle. Then you've got Verne Harnish, who will be teaching you how to scale beyond the side hustle. The number one element that will determine success or failure in any side hustle or business. If you try to fight this overwhelming force, you are sure to lose. But align yourself with it and you'll look like a business genius. He's going to show you the key to setting the right price for your product or service, how slightly tweaking how you present your price can increase income volume by 26%, and how one addition to your offer can drive up the revenue by 250% or more. And lastly, he's going to be teaching how to manage a business of any size in 1/2 day a week. What? And how to scale as large as you desire in 7 minutes a day with 3 easy questions and 1 simple rule. And how to invest the rest of your time to add fuel to grow your revenue. And lastly, what other entrepreneur will we have in episode 6? Before I get to that, if you do like this video, you think there's a bit of value there and it's going to help you make some moolah, do tap on the like button. I would love that. Thumbs up for that. And if you don't subscribe, that would be wonderful. Get on there, tap on the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified about the next video, which is coming tomorrow, tap on the bell. All right, bell button, you'll be notified. All right, so who is the last entrepreneur? Anna MacFarlane. And she will be teaching us about freelance marketing consultant income. She's going to be telling you about what most people get wrong about their brand and how you should think about it to enable you to get it right and make more money. She's going to be teaching us how to figure out what kind of side hustle you should start if you aren't sure. Answer the 1 simple question she's going to give us, and then you'll know how you can start making money. And then she'll be revealing the easiest way for most people to reach their ideal clients or customers online, and 3 specific things you should tell them so that they instantly know they should give you their money. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. But before I go, let me tell you, you can get right now not only a free pass for the 6-figure side hustles, you can also get a free guide. It's called 3 AI Side Hustles Anyone Can Start, and that means you can start reading it, learn how to do it, and start making money straight away. That's what I love to hear. So until tomorrow's video, thank you for watching again, and hopefully I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.